bit more coverage for your neckline? Let me show you how to do that without adding a modesty panel. Hi everyone, it's Mom from Sparkly Belly. The common solution is to add a modesty panel, but that's often not the look I want. So let me show you my absolute favorite solution. I call it magic straps. So first, make a simple strap. For this one, I take a 5 cm or 2 inch wide strap and fold it again towards the wrong side. Do a zigzag stitch and trim the excess fabric. For this pink dress with an extra large neckline, I attach the strap in a crisscross manner at the bottom of the neckline. And look, the neckline looks more together, polished, stylish. But I know what you're thinking, I need more coverage. No problem, have a look at this dress. So this dress also has a very wide neckline. So I made a collar, then added the strap in a zigzag manner. And ta-da! The neckline has more coverage and looks elegant and pretty. And once the dresses are embellished, they look like this. You might think it's not that much coverage, and that's the point. When you put on the dresses with these straps, it makes a big difference in how exposed you feel. And these straps make you feel more secure in your dress without looking all covered. And these straps take people's attention away from the cleavage or plunging neckline if that's what you're worried about. By the way, if you want to make these dresses, I have a brand new course where you can learn to create these stunning outfits to fit you perfectly. If you're curious, check it out from the link below. I call these straps magic straps because they give you coverage and style at the same time. It's like magic. You can use these magic straps on the bra top too. If you have a gaping bra cup problem, add these straps to the tops of your bra cups and attach the other ends on the straps. You can try different placements too to see what design you like. The straps will give your bra cups extra support, close the gaps, and they add an extra design element that's pretty and practical. It's like magic, right? So now you can see why I love these magic straps so much. They're beautiful and practical. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. And if you like this video, you might enjoy my tutorial on 4 ways to add coverage to your belly dance bra. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!